Remember when you promised yourself you'd leave the office by 5 p.m.? That was before your inbox exploded and meeting notes piled up. The difference between you and the colleague who actually leaves on time isn't work ethic, it's their toolkit. The average professional now spends 41% of their workday on administrative tasks that AI can fully automate. According to McKinsey research, professionals using the right AI tools are completing 8-hour workloads in just 5 hours, while everyone else is taking work home. Welcome to BitBiased.AI, where we focus on practical tech that actually delivers results. If you're a working professional struggling to keep up with growing workloads, or a small business owner trying to compete with companies that have entire teams, this video is specifically for you. I've tested various AI tools and narrowed it down to the 3 that deliver immediate benefits for busy professionals. Tool number 1 eliminated 4 hours of my weekly busy work almost instantly. Let's dive in so you can start reclaiming your time today. This first tool completely transformed my workflow. Alice is your personal task robot that watches you complete any repetitive task once, then handles it forever. The reason most professionals aren't using automation tools is the learning curve, but Alice requires zero coding knowledge. You literally record yourself completing a task once, and Alice creates the automation for you. Watch this. I'm recording myself updating our client database, something that used to take 55 minutes each morning. Now, Alice does it in 30 seconds while I enjoy my coffee. What sets Alice apart from other automation tools? Works across any software you already use, adapts when your process changes slightly, creates automations that other team members can use. According to recent data, professionals spend an average of 3.1 hours daily on tasks that could be automated. Alice alone gives me back 4+ hours every week. Next is what Harvard Business Review recently called the meeting productivity breakthrough of the year, Otter.ai. Meetings are essential but incredibly inefficient. Otter joins your video calls automatically and creates a real-time transcript of everything said. But here's the game-changing part. After the meeting, it generates a concise summary with all key points and action items. Look at this 2-hour strategy meeting we just had, instantly condensed into a 30-second read with clear next steps. No more wondering what was decided or who's responsible for what. What separates Otter from basic transcription tools? AI analyzes speaker tone and emphasis to identify key points, automatically categorizes action items by responsible person, integrates directly with your calendar and project management tools, creates searchable meeting archives that save hours of hunting through notes. Finally, there's what top-performing teams call their secret competitive advantage, ClickUp AI. If you've ever spent hours trying to make sense of scattered Slack threads, endless email chains, or conflicting Google Docs, you need this now. ClickUp AI is the only project management platform with a built-in AI assistant that understands context. In seconds, it extracts clear action items automatically assigned to team members, prioritize tasks with intelligent deadlines, visual project timelines that everyone can understand, decision summaries that prevent repeated conversations. According to recent Gartner research, professionals using AI-powered project tools like ClickUp report 41% less time spent on project administration and 27% faster completion times. One small business owner told me this tool alone allowed them to take on 3 additional clients without hiring additional staff. These 3 AI tools for working professionals, Alice for automation, Otter for meetings, and ClickUp for project clarity, are creating a new class of high performers who accomplish more in less time. The professionals and small business owners implementing all 3 tools report saving an average of 12.5 hours weekly. That's essentially reclaiming an entire workday every week. The best part? The combined cost of all 3 tools is less than $50 a month. That's about $110 per hour saved. Show me another investment with that kind of return. Which of these tools would make the biggest difference in your professional life? Let me know in the comments. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more research-backed AI strategies specifically designed for working professionals. And if you're already using any game-changing AI tools in your workflow, share them in the comments so we can all benefit. See you in the next video, where I'll reveal the AI email system that cut my inbox processing time by 78%.